Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today we have a scent from Parfums de Marly. A lot of people they don't talk about this one, Parfums de Marly Nisean. I am not sure how to pronounce it, but I normally pronounce it like Japanese do, Nisean. Nisean. Okay, so I would say Nisean. Anyhow, so Nisean or Nisean, I'm not sure what the name is. Parfums de Marly. This is the bottle. You can see black bottle with golden cap on the top. Nisean, this one. So this is the bottle. And this is the cap. A bit difficult to remove the cap. And I'm going to tell you why I like this perfume and why I have bought this from all the collection of this Parfum de Marly. I just have this one. So why I bought this one? So first of all, it is in the category of spicy, sweet, light ambery kind of perfumes. So this is a bit spicy. I love oriental kind of perfumes that are mostly on Arabic side, but this one is not Arabic. It has a bit of modern touch that is more Western. So it is not going to be seem like an Arabic perfume, but if you like Arabic, oriental or spicy kind of perfumes, this one is a good choice. So let me spray this on this one. So let's try to spray and see. Very lovely, very lovely. It is going to start with sweetness, a little bit of spice, maybe pink peppers. Yes, peppery. Peppery with some amber. In the background, amber is very light. It is a fresh, for me, it is not very warm, spicy kind of perfume. It is more of a medium, fresh, spicy, not warm, not too fresh. It is in the middle. Yes, amber is there. Amber is coming up. A bit woody. Wood is in the background. It is synthetic oud, but oud is in the background. I think it is. I would call it wood properly. Oud is a totally different thing. Woody, spicy, ambery, modern, elegant. Very well blended, really well balanced. A little bit of balsamic I would say, but it doesn't have more balsamic or smoky. There is no smoke in it. A little bit of sweet, very little, like 5 to 10% sweet. Spiciness is there. Now it is toning down. And then we have the amber, woods. Woods are a bit more, amber is a bit getting low now. Maybe somewhat earthy because of the woods that is mixed with amber. When the woods are or oud is mixed with amber, I think it projects like something earthy because both of them have some earthy nature. Yes. So, in a nutshell, it is a perfume that is elegant, spicy, ambery, light ambery with woods in the background, and I would say maybe a little bit of leafy greens, like we have ground some leaves. It is not powdery. I would not call it very winter perfume where we have a lot of powder. Because I hate powdery perfumes. I really enjoy spicy perfumes that are not powdery. So this is one of them. Elegant. This is, I would say in one word, elegant spicy, ambery, woody perfume that you can buy from Parfums de Marly. Before you buy, I always suggest you that you test or sample, because I would never recommend that you buy something on my recommendation. But if you like oriental perfumes, you like spicy perfumes, spicy sweet perfumes, then this one is a must have or must try perfume. So this is my review about Parfums de Marly Nisean or Nisean, I'm not sure. I would call it Nisean right now. So I hope you have enjoyed this review, simple review. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.